lalo. Thanks, Kuya. Yes. Good day, everyone. It's Christine Gonzalez Ortega here, and for today's video, I'm super duper excited to share it with you because finally, after more than 2 years, we are finally at an airport. Ever since the pandemic started, we all know that we had a lot of restrictions and struggles in traveling. Kaya naman, I am very excited to share this trip with you. So for today's video, we are going to Boracay. As I've mentioned earlier, finally after 2 years, nakaapak na ulit kami sa airport. But at the same time, it is also my first time here at the Bicol International Airport since last year pa lang siya natapos gawin or nag-open. So, ayan, I'm so excited and happy that finally nasa airport na ulit ako. Oh my gosh! Grabe, ilang days ko rin kinontain yung excitement ko kasi sabi ko baka hindi matuloy pag super excited na, you know. Grabe anxiety because of the pandemic, but finally, I think tuloy na talaga to. So, of course, I'm gonna take you with me. By the way, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung airport, but actually, medyo maliit lang naman siya. Nasa first floor pa lang kami, so ayan. Mag-check-in na kami ng gamit namin. Hotel reservation at 2 days. And yung round trip ticket mo, yun po. It's currently 5:32 in the morning and ayan, naka-check-in na kami ng gamit namin. Hi, Mother! Mami. Are you excited?
Excited!
Yes! We're so excited!
Katiklan, here we come!
Let's go! See you! Yay! Madadagdagan ng subscriber! Thank you, Kuya! Domestic pre-departure lounge area. Ayan, wala pong masyadong tao. Super kaunti pa lang. It's already 5:57 a.m. So, ayan, if hindi pa kayo nagbe-breakfast like me, since super aga pa, they have food stalls here. Ayan, may Master Siomai. Dun si Mommy, nag-check if may coffee. And may Starbucks, potato corner, pero close pa siya. May Belgian waffle. And meron pa dun food stalls din. And open na rin sila. Though, etong isa, hindi pa. It's a date. Cafe Yulo. Ayun, may coffee ata dito.
Tama yung mga kanigin ko. Ganda ng bayan, no?
Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you.
Touchdown!
I wanna be side by side.
Cute. Your name.
Do you wanna be side by side?
Oh my
I know
God!
it seems
Hello,
correct,
ate!
but I can't lie.
Mr. Philippines! Video!
Side by side.
Excited!
You wanna be side by side. I know it seems correct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side.
May additional kami courtesy of the flight attendant, Danica.
Thanks, Ate Dan. So pretty.
Side by side.
Thank you so much, Ate Dan. Thank you, Dan. Thanks, Ate Dan. Alam niyo na kung gusto niyo makita ng super gandang FA, book na kayo sa PAL, Philippine Airlines. Thank you. We are now here at Boracay Airport.
Oh, baby.
We finally got our luggages. Welcome to Boracay.
Two, three.
We are now on our way to Crimson. Hello!
Like and subscribe!
It's already 1:20 and we just arrived here at the Crimson receiving area.
Oh, baby.
And upon arrival, they'll be giving you this wet towel kasi super duper init. So make sure to bring hat and of course sunblock, never forget, and shades. Feel at home! Ayan, nagsisimula nang magbalot yung nanay ko. Balutin. Up, 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 up. Thank you. Super init.
Our travel time is approximately 15 minutes, so set back, relax, and wait. Thank you, my strangers.
Ayan, time check, it's already 2:14. Oh! Hello! So we are finally on our way to Crimson Hotel. Grabe, buwis buhay to ah! Tatan ka! Basang basa. Para sa buwis buhay na video. Ay nako.
We will be welcoming you guys to join our family's trip. So this is a 3 days, 2 nights trip and I hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you at the island.
Yay! Finally, after nth hours, we are here. Ayan, bongga. May pa-welcome. Welcome ano? Welcome band. Welcome! Thank you. Welcome! and now we're going to our room. Leaving Saffron Cafe now. Dito na yung mga luggages. Ba't mainit dito? Mainit. Welcome to our room. So we'll be staying here at room 112. Let's go. Ayan, sanitized for your safety. Oh my, wala nito sa probinsya. Automatic na to. Change outfit na kasi magsiswimming na. Hello! Slap soils enjoying Bora. Mga slap soil.
Ako malapit nang hindi maging slap.
Oy, sana all! Isa na naman po, Pilipino nga, angat ang buhay. Maraming salamat po sa... Ayan, ano?
Galingan na pagpili mga ma'am.
Ng aasawahin.
I can feel the love in your heart. I can see it in the way that you smile. I can feel
Yan, don't forget to put sunblock.
Hindi ko na, no?
Pinapaligo na nila, tita.
Nasunog na kami dati.
Mami! Ay, ang sexy ng mami ko. Palaban! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everybody! Happy New Year!
Walang filter yan.
Hello!
Ano to?
Gusto ko si Mamot. Sige.
Namukha.
Kuya, sino tumulak sa'yo? Tumatakbo kami kasi mag-libre boat kami. Ayan. Mukhang patapos na sila eh. Hello! Ayan, wala akong ambag dito. Walang ambag. Ah, sige. Yes! So yan, free lang tong kayak. Dahil mga slap soil kami, ga-avail lang kami ng mga freebies. Hindi lang ganda yung ambag natin. Ay, kasi dun si Venus rin. Bibilisan natin ang paddle. Magpa-fun girl mode tayo kasi kababayan natin yan si Venus Rock.
Uy, babangga nating drink.
Kuya! Kuya! Kuya, natutumba ko si ate. Go! Major! Major! Happy Island! Isa lang masasabi ko, sana all. Sana all na lang. Sana all. Ayan, super lapit lang namin sa Shangri-La. Ayun na yung Shangri-La. Oh. Hanggang tingin lang tayo.
nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the linings on your cheeks.
Ayan, napuno namin yung isang shuttle.
Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side.
Yun yung shuttle na nagatid sa amin.
Cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms as years go by.
Dito, para mga earrings. Ang cute ng cafe. Ay, cafe. Ang cute ng shop niya. Uy, ang sexy naman ito. Yeah, so sexy. That's my mama.
It's nothing like the way that you adore me.
Cute.
I can feel love from miles
we're just strolling around. Wala talaga kaming destination. And baka mang inasalisdawan, charot. Pecho and ensalada and talong for dinner. So we are finally back here at the hotel. And separate lang kami ng shuttle kasi hindi na kami kasya dun sa unang van. Agardo Versosa. Wow! Ready to sleep! So that's it for our Boracay trip day 1. See you again tomorrow. Toodles!